Hello everybody, this is Mohammed El-saieed, and this is one of my projects in Microcontrollers course in Ain Shams University with Professor Sherif Hammad. In the previous video I was talking about the hardware connection of the circuit of this project, and in this video we're gonna power on the project and we're gonna see the functionality of the project. So let's power on. So this is the power supply, so I just power in the power supply and turn on the switches. Okay, so let's focus on our part. Okay, so here I have the keypad and I have the screen. So let's start from the beginning. So this is like the welcome message of the from the screen, just the name of the course and the name of the project, and now it's giving us the functionality to select of the following. Before selecting anything, we're gonna just test the two potentiometers I told you about in the previous video. So this one was like the brightness of the screen, I guess. Yeah, the brightness of the screen. So now it's coming more bright, and now it's becoming more dark. Okay, and the second one, the contrast of the letters. So if we will turn this one like right or left, we will decrease the contrast or increase the contrast of the letters on the screen. Okay, so now it's time to select any option from these options. So for example, we will select the first option, which is the basic calculator. So it's number one, and now it's telling me let's go. So we can just make any operation, like for example 5, this is plus and this is minus, this is multiply and this is divide. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 5 and this is equal. Okay, and here it's telling me press like start to clear, so I can just clear and start over again. 7 multiplied by 5 equal, and I have like a decimal number. And here we can say we can test like an exception or like different test cases. For example, dividing by 0. So this is a mass error. And there is another interesting thing, that in the Tiva itself I'm using port F to give me like a interface. So if this is the standby mode, so the blue one, the blue LED, and if the operation is accepted, so the green LED will be on, and if an operation is refused or if an operation is a math error, so the red LED will toggle. So let's try again. So if we will divide again 8 over 0, so the red LED is toggling and it's telling me math error. Okay, and also we can divide 0 over 9, for example, it's giving me 0. Okay, and we can test like 3 minus 5, it should give me a negative number, so negative 2, and the green LED is turning on, which means that this operation is successful. Here it's time to go back to choose another option. Okay, so we will choose the second option, which is the trigonometric function. So it's number 2. Okay, so maybe I can select sine. For example, this is degree form. So if I give it sine 30, it will give me half. It should give me half. And for example, if I go back and choose like tan 45, it should give me 1. Yeah, so this is the one. I can go back to the main menu. By the way, if I like select any wrong entry, it will give me like wrong entry and I have to try again. Okay, if you will go to the main menu, actually I didn't work on a code to return me to the main menu because I didn't have so many buttons here. So I'm using the reset button to go to the main menu. Okay, so the third and last one is the stopwatch. I have integrated a stopwatch to this application or to this project. So here it's telling me the instructions here. To start, I have to hold a key, any key, and to reset I have to press start. So if I will hold any key like this, it will start counting here in seconds and minutes and hours, and this is seconds multiplied by 10. So if I just release my hand, so it will stop, just immediately stop. So this is 9 seconds passed and 39 pieces of second. And here if I want to reset the counter, I have to press the start, so I can start over again. Okay, so that was almost all of the functionalities of the project. There are some interesting things inside, like I told you, like the exception cases in the calculator, like dividing by 0, or subtracting a small number from a big number. There are some interesting things also in the trigonometric functions and in the stopwatch, and I'm intending to upgrade this project to have more than 3 selections and to work on the main menu. I wanna integrate some buttons here to go back to the main menu, and also maybe I can add some functionalities like calculating the factorial and calculating many other things in the trigonometric functions. But this for now, because the course time is limited, and also I have to study another courses, so that was the project for the time allowed in this course, and I wanna thank you.